I'm not doing anything special. I just wanted to give everybody an update. All the millinery stores, I believe, are still open. I've checked everything. There's nothing on there to say that they've closed. So I'll post the link to last week's video in the description box below, and I'll put it in the card somewhere here. You'll see it now. So yeah, there has been a thing. So Be Unique have put on more classes, so check them out. And I am currently working on a tutorial, so it's going to be sort of these colours with ignore that hat, with some beads and sequins. So that is my task, to get a video out by Friday. I am working on, what am I working on? I'm working on trying to figure out how to live stream. I think I managed to do it, but it's through my phone, so it's not like the best. And yeah, that's it really. So look out for a tutorial on Friday. I'm going to be looking at filming how to take like your own photos video. That should come next week. And I might actually tidy my workroom. I mean, it's a little bit of a mess at the moment. So yeah, there's even stuff under there as well. So once that's all done, I might do a little bit of a what's in my supplies tour. In fact, that's given me a good idea. So what I'd like to do is, it's the 7th of January, 7th of April. If you buy something from now until then, and it arrives in time, so obviously I'd like you to all to do your own little haul. So send me pictures, send me videos, get excited about what you've received, and who did you buy it from, what did you get. Send me some pictures to the email coming across the screen now, and also the email in the description box below, so either or. And what I'll do is we'll hopefully do like a international millinery haul video. So yeah, that's it. It's only a short video, but I just wanted to get something out because I said I was putting out videos on Tuesday for Millinery Suppliers updates. So there's no updates apart from Be Unique. I've got a few more classes with lots of different milliners. So if you're interested, check them out. And I am going to get back to sorting out all my fabric, sorting out this, and yeah. So for now,